All PPE must be inspected for damage or signs of wear and properly stored to maintain its level of protection. You should familiarize yourself with the correct use of PPE before putting it on and follow manufacturer's guidelines for storage and cleaning. Store hard hats where they will not be exposed to direct sunlight or heat. This protects them from becoming brittle, and when they are brittle, they cannot fully protect you. Do check the manufacturer's guidelines before adding any accessories like stickers. They can hide cracks or damage. Replace a hard hat if it has received an impact or has visible damages like scratches or gouges. Any defective headwear should be thrown away. If you use a winter liner, make sure it doesn't interfere with the hat's suspension and avoid wearing a baseball cap under the hard hat. Eyewear should cover the eyes from the eyebrow to the cheekbone with minimal space between the eyewear and the face to keep out dust, wind, and liquids. Clean safety glasses, goggles, and face shields daily or whenever they become dirty. Use a cleaning cloth that will not scratch the lenses and keep glasses in a safe place when they're not in use. Footwear must be comfortable with ample toe room and with enough room for an extra pair of socks. Try boots on later in the day as your feet normally swell as the day goes on. Lace them all the way up and walk around to check for comfort. It is a good idea to use recommended protectant to make boots water resistant and to protect the material. Inspect footwear regularly to check for cracks in the sole, excessive wear, or exposed toe caps. Repair or replace worn or defective footwear. Keep your boots clean and dry. If they become wet, let them air dry naturally. Using high heat may damage or shrink the boot.
Remember that electric shock resistance is reduced with the age of the footwear and in wet conditions.